Welcome to development of lateral surface of solids. This is a cylinder, development of a cylinder we are going to draw now. So a cylinder is having a diameter 40 mm and height 60 mm, and it is cut by an axis which bisects the axis, and cut by a plane which bisects the axis, and it is inclined at an 60-degree to the axis. Draw the development. Okay. So first let us draw the XY line and name VPHP. Now let us draw the cylindrical in its top view, cylinder in its top view. Say take a cylinder, circle, okay, and type diameter is 40 mm. Okay, once it is drawn, we make it dark. Now we need to divide this either into 8 parts or 12 parts. Even number of parts you have to divide. Okay, say for if you divide minimum 12 parts, it will be better, but for the sake of showing you, I will take only uh, 8 parts. Okay, so I will take a thin line. So first I will show you how to rotate this, how to divide the uh, circle into 8 parts. First draw a line passing through the center and touching the uh, circumference. Now take the rotate command. Take the rotate command. Select the line. Okay, and give the step angle as, say, 360. You are dividing by 8 means 360 divided by 8 will be 45 degree. Okay, or you just type 360 divided by 8. Press enter. Okay, next select the starting point and select the end point. So now this will be divided. Okay, first one, click here. Next part, if you want, click, move your cursor to the left and click, move your cursor to the left and click. And if you keep on clicking, so you have divided the circle into 8 parts. Okay, now let us reduce this font size and start naming this one. So since it is a prism, it will be having two names, that is A and A1. Similarly, this will be B, C, C1. Similarly, let us keep on. So now let us project all the lines to the XY line with the help of a light line. Now the axis height is given as 60 mm. Let us draw a 60 mm line. So what you can do here is, center is visible here, and you can make the axis, so you can make the axis inclined at 60 degree to the axis here. You can draw a axis line, draw a cutting plane. Okay, from here, see this with respect to axis means this angle should be 60 degree. Okay, so just type it like this and show the angle from here to here should be 60. Okay, now extend these lines using a dark line. So make this line as dark. Take a line. Now you uh, draw simply one line here and use the extend to next option. Okay, after that you can draw the dark line. Then you can delete this line and you can make these lines dark. See, whatever the below the cutting plane we have made this dark. Now we need light lines. So for that what we will do is, so let us select light line. From here we'll draw up to this line. Okay, similarly we are going to draw. Okay, now we'll connect with the help of a straight line. So we can show the 60-degree angle here. Also show the axis length here. So now let us give the namings. So this will be our A dash. This will be our E dash. E1 dash. E1 dash. This is B dash bracket H dash. This is T dash bracket F dash. Okay, now this is C and G. C dash bracket G dash. Also this is O dash. So a lot of namings will be there in cylinder. B1 dash H1 dash. So if there is no space, you can bring it down. So similarly here D1 dash F1 dash. Okay. So now we need to mark the points 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us go for the alphabet, and wherever the cutting plane is cutting A and A1, you mark it as 1 dash. Okay. So next, here B is cutting, so that will be uh, 2 dash. In bracket H is also there, so H will be 8, so mark it as L dash. Okay, the center line cutting C will be 3, and G will be 7. Similarly, this one will be 4, 6. The remaining is okay. You got all the points. Now what we will do is, so we need to draw a height equal to 60 mm, and this length must be equal to the circumference. The circumference here is the circumference here is the 2 into pi into r. So 2 pi r, if you do, you're going to get 2 into 22 or 3.14159 into radius of the circle is 20 mm. Press enter, so you're going to get that exact value. So now you can draw this. Okay, now 8 parts we have to divide this. How to divide it into 8 parts? So measure this length. Say 125.66. Okay, you draw one line. You can use this. Okay, first you draw a line. Measure this distance. So distance must be 125.66 divided by 8. Be this much. Now similarly you keep on using the mirror command for this. Select mirror, so select this one, this one. Okay, total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You divide it. Okay, Now we are divided all the points. Now on A1 this distance must come. Let us measure this distance. 41.55. So 41.55. Cut an arc. Next similarly 38.16. Okay now 38.16 here also, and for B also, for H also 38.16. So instead of doing this, you can directly project these lines. Okay, here also one will be there, here also one, so I'm going to simply one, this will be one. So next this will be 2, this will be 8. Similarly 3 and 7. Okay now next 4 plus 4, 5, 6. Okay, okay, now we have got all the points, and now we have to connect with the help of a curve. Okay, so let us start with the curve first. Next second point, third point, fourth, sorry, take a line, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Make this line dark. This line should be dark. Should be dark. Okay, this will be the development.